everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, friends, I'm here with yet another video regarding placement assistance, your placement needs, and answering many of the questions that you have put forward. Okay, so we'll going through those details. So, if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing our channel and activating the bell icon as well to get these kind of notifications the right time so you don't miss any of your deadlines. Okay, so let me tell you. So recently we have shared many data science related jobs. So your question was artificial intelligence, machine learning is advancing in a very rapid way. Then what is the need of promoting the jobs that is in that particular domain itself? The answer to this question is right in front of you in internet by studies or by the journals by different companies and business groups. Okay, so let me pick one of them, that is Forbes. So recently also I have shared one of the report from 2023 December. They have created that report that is stating that in 2024, which are all the skills or the list of domains that is having higher importance in 2024, right? So in that also we could see the data science domain among the other domains, or few of the domains. Like I think if I remember, there were 5 to 10 domains, right? In that this was highly mentioned, and it was mentioned that many lakhs and millions of job opportunities about to come on this domain and still having the revolution in this field since a couple of years. Okay, so that is important. So this is one of the reason also. You can see that here advantages of artificial intelligence. So in this you will find everything related to what is the advantages of artificial intelligence, what is the fields that is requiring this attention and everything. And they have also mentioned the fact that it is not a very good practice, or it is not a safe practice to include only AI for doing some of the process, because human intervention are also needed. So the thing that is a small kind of jobs like data entry or data analysis, I mean the basic level kind of things will be taken care by AI. To operate that AI, to not regulate that AI, or to connect that AI with the business requirement, there is a need of human in this domain. Okay, so this is where the data science and its related fields such as data scientist, data analyst, and there are many jobs related to that, right? These kind of job domains will have its importance. Okay, so data science is an umbrella term. Inside that comes different kind of domains like data engineer, data scientist, data analyst, and different kind of things like that. Okay, so here we have an opportunity for you to get a job in this domain with the like option to skill up yourself. Okay, so before that I would like to show this very cute thing that is from LinkedIn. So I have just put the keyword as data scientist. So this itself you can see 1995 results generated for data scientist itself. Okay, these are the different companies entry actually. In this there will be different amount of requirements. One company requirement will be few and another company will be few, like that. Okay, so you can just imagine the requirement in this India itself. Okay, and if you put another, like for example data scientist, data engineer is one of the other domain or another thing that is under data science, right? So here you can see 4152. So similarly, if you just google every sections under data science, right, you will find that the requirement in the industry is huge. Okay, so that is the requirement, so that is the need where you can have a job or you can have your own space in this domain for under this particular domain. Okay, so I hope the details are pretty much clear to you. Yes, AI, all things will begin for growing that AI growth is much important today in this era. So for that, we need humans. We need humans who can take care of this data science domain so that they can play with this AI or create AI, AI and make the data things. Okay, so I hope the details are pretty much clear regarding this basic things. Now we'll discuss about the domain which is having that. So recently I have shared this, the data science bootcamp by Audin School, which is about to start on 27th of April. We have only less time for this, so I hope everyone will be looking into it first and then decide by yourself whether to join there or not. Okay, so The main highlighting parts I'll revise again. The thing is that live instructor led course is there, job readiness in 6 months, project based learnings, all the projects that you will be going through, or the kind of projects that you will be handling is there in this website itself. You will find that because these are the trending things currently. Okay, so if you can have a knowledge on that, then definitely you have the right industry experience, kind of equivalent kind of skill within yourself. Okay, now unlimited job opportunities. When I say that, they're saying they have 500 plus companies hiring, and this genuinity, right? I mean, is really people are going through this and getting placed in there. All those things you can find in this success story section. When you scroll all the way down, you have this section called success stories. So just open this section and you will find the list of people who have benefited out of this platform. Okay, so I'm just randomly going through this because many people have got a very good number of hike. Many freshers have started their career, that too from different graduation. That's a very highlighting thing. Okay, that is, there is no specialization. If you belong to IT, if you belong to non-IT, you can. If you are in this current graduation year, you can. If you are previously graduated, or you are in, I mean, final year, or you are having gap between your education and all that, you can. You are currently working in different domain but still would like to switch to this domain, definitely you can. Okay, so anything, career upgrade, career transition, career start, restart, anything is there. I mean, they are supporting all of those. Okay, so what the eligibility criteria they're putting is your willingness to learn. Okay, your willingness to learn things, your willingness to be a part of this domain, that's the eligibility criteria they're looking forward for. And if you just hover on the sections, right, you will get the LinkedIn handles of these people. See, you can just click and just reach out or verify those people. Okay, so that is a success section. So now coming to more details about this boot camp, as I mentioned, these are the course highlights. 115 plus live sessions are there, self-paced learning resources, assignments and projects will be there, then practice aptitude and test, live doubt clearing sessions, labs, dedicated placement support, flexible EMI options for the payment. Okay, now coming down, you will find the details regarding this, like 8 lps is a median package, 40 lps is the highest package, so around like 6 7 lps to higher lps, they have the job opening. Okay, now you can see here, these are the top job roles which I was telling: data scientist, data analyst, business analyst, data engineer, power BI developer. And that's these are umbrella terms, right? Inside companies there will be different kind of namings for that, so that is also there. And communication aptitude training, mock interviews, resume, workshops, and unlimited job openings is what they're offering. Okay, so the modules, the bonus modules, the projects, everything is there in this website. You can just have a look at it, then decide. Okay, so just don't skip as it is. Okay, just spend a few minutes of time and then decide. Now coming to the application procedure. So this is the fee, 75,000 plus GST is the fee. You have early bird offer up to 10K that depend upon the count of people, like 100 seats. If you are booking, then you will get discounts. I mean, if you're coming under the 100 seat, then you will get the discount. It's in that way. Okay. So you have an option to reserve your seat at 5,000 plus GST, or you can just make the complete payment or do, that's up to you. Now, no cost EMI options are there if you can't make this payment in a go. And the most important or convincing or genuine part is that if you wish to withdraw from the course within first 10 days from the start date, your fee will be fully refunded. So if you feel 50-50, you want to but you don't want to, you feel convinced but you don't know whether it's genuine or not, if you are in that state, right, you can definitely give it a try. And within 10 days you can just see how things goes. If not, you can opt for refund and stuffs like that. Okay, that's up to you. Now, to apply for this, you can just click on to this apply now button. I'm just giving some random information like that, then just click on request a callback. So your details will be stored and they will contact you further. You can get all your queries, all your confusions, everything cleared with the call with them. Okay, so I hope the details are pretty much clear to you. The link is there in the description. Okay, just take it from there, check it by yourself, and then decide to go for apply now or not. And if you have further queries, you can just go for the apply now, and then when they contact, you can get your queries done. Okay, so I hope the details are pretty much clear to you. We'll try to bring these kind of opportunities around us to you so that you will be able to apply to that. So until I come back again with another video, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.